Well, 2024 already close, and,
Yep.
very happy. Whatever we make plan, starting after 2024, inshallah, we did very nicely. So whatever we have planned to add new customers, and we provide very best service, and we change so many rules. Finally, we submit all the things very nicely in this 2024. And as we discussed with our colleague about upcoming 225, yeah, inshallah, our plan is very clear. We have some changing, and we have followed very nicely, and we wish all our customers, whoever stay with us in 2024, inshallah, very best customers, and some like family members, very close members, and we wish all of them a happy new year 2025. And inshallah we work together, and we have very clear vision. Okay, upcoming year we have a lot of things new, and inshallah we try always best to provide you best services, and keep together as some like family and close friend. Yeah, this is the message for our new customers, and for 2025. Yeah, inshallah.
Number one.